Welcome back to Lego Garbage Truck. Alright, on 3, you gotta say it again. Ready?
Lego Garbage Truck is amazing.
Welcome back.
You can do it.
No, you do it. You ready? On 3. 1.
Welcome back to Lego Garbage Truck. And what I always think about my eyes. Don't know.
Alright, Jimmy, you ready to build on this awesome garbage truck?
Yes.
Alright, so pretty excited. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna build the characters first. I'm gonna give you the pieces and you're gonna put them together. How does that sound? Here's a head. I'm gonna find the torso. That's the wrong torso. There's an insect head. Here you go, put the head on the torso. I should have separated all the big parts.
The one.
Mm-hmm.
The one, Daddy.
You've done that?
Yeah.
Okay. We got legs somewhere here. Let's see. Here you go. Here's the legs. Gimme. You can put the legs on. And then we got this green thing. Little bug.
One.
Got him?
The one. Now what we have to do is turn the up.
So that's done. You're gonna sit it down. Boom. And then we got green legs. Little insect. Alright, let's see what's next. They can sit next to each other. Then we got Buzz Lightning. You gonna put it in? Alright, you put it on. Wait, is that the wrong fit? I think it's this fit. We got 2 sets of fit. Clean one and dirty one. Do you want clean one or dirty ones? You can have dirty ones. And then we got the wings. Here, Jimmy, you gotta put the wings on.
Is this way they go? Is this way? Is that the wrong way or this is the way?
I'll have to have a look.
I think this is the wrong
Yeah, give us a look. Oh, you got them backwards. Okay, we got the helmet. Oh, I need to find his head. Do you see Buzz Lightning's head?
No.
Neither do I. Trying to find it. Oh, here it is. Purple. Ta-da! It's got his. And where'd you put the wings? Oh, here there. Got the wings. Ta-da!
About Lightyear.
Okay, blue.
There we go.
Here we go. Making our little bin.
Is that a bin?
Yes, Jimmy.
How am I going help you with spindle?
Almost finished. Oh, it's got wheels too.
What wheels?
Yeah, it's gonna have wheels
How?
when it's done.
Wow.
That's what garbage truck gonna pick up.
Is the
Hmm?
I like the garbage truck. We still haven't built it.
Yeah, we gotta build all our little bits first.
Yes.
See? Now we gotta do the wheels.
I haven't got the garbage truck before.
No, we didn't. Oh, we had a little one. This one's gonna be a big garbage truck.
But I'm gonna be real one. I'm gonna be real one.
Yeah, that's the same thing here. We need little wheels. Can you see little wheels?
Oh my god.
This one's. See, it's the little wheels to go in there. Hmm. We need to find one more grey. Where are you?
It do happen to have to find it
Aha,
out.
here it is. That's the last wheel. Ta-da! See?
Then I haven't.
Yep. You can put all the characters in it.
No, not yet.
Not yet.
Hmm?
How many is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think this is it. Okay.
No, that still need something.
How many holes is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 12, 13, 14, 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And that's darker. Should build this really quick, Jimmy.
Yes.
Oh, how long is that? A 3, I think. A 3 long.
Pick up note.
What's that?
This garbage truck will pick up a lot of things.
It will.
Yes, pick up all of it.
Mm-hmm. Where is... Got a 3. I need one of...
have to go under.
You have to go under. Did you drop something?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, what have we got? Where is it? Oh, I think we need to find... no, we're good.
Did you see that? That's a ball.
Uh-huh. That's a pretty long truck, Jimmy, look. Okay, what's next? Do this. This.
It's so cool.
Huh?
A damn big truck with that all this in the bin.
What are you putting in the bin?
These two things. They're going in the garbage truck. And that garbage truck you're making. Boy.
Hey, careful. So now we need another one of those.
What are you? Coming back. Wait, what? Oh. That. Oh my God.
We're going super quick, Jimmy. We're gonna be done in no time. Hmm?
Look at this. See?
Oh, they all fit.
So now they're going to go in the bin. In the bin.
You're gonna put them in the bin.
Yeah, in that bin you're making.
That's not bin, it's a garbage truck.
It is a garbage truck.
I'll put them in the garbage truck.
Yeah, then they'll go going to them.
Ooh, lots of pieces here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Looks about the same.
What I do? It's
Need one more. It doesn't fit.
Yes.
You had them in before, yes. Okay. You had them in all before. It's alright, take your time. You know you had them before, so they'll fit in. They don't have to all go in there.
They have to go in there.
No, they don't. Maybe put the big one in first.
Okay. It keeps flowing.
Hmm.
I can't do this one.
Why are you getting upset?
I can't off it.
Wait, here, let me do it. Let me do it before you start. So you don't want any help and then you get upset. Are you tired?
Got it all in.
You got them all in?
Yeah.
Why were you getting upset then? If you know they fit.
I did French back.
Yeah, very good. Alright, so we gotta find this It's hiding under one of the pieces. So we've done this. I'm gonna find beep beep. Those will go on the sides. Careful, Jimmy, don't lose anything. We need every single part.
A part on the back. Then now, toss a pin. I'm going. A garbage truck you're making.
Yeah, it's a pretty big truck, Jimmy.
Yes. I'm going to put windows on and I'm going.
You gotta find one more light for it.
Oh no, I'm doing a tire.
Okay, hey, how about you gently take them, right? And then this is what you gotta put in. So you gotta put those in. You said how many is that? Don't lose them. They're really important, okay?
Okay.
Where is one more see-through light? Ah, we can put that light back later on. That's fine if I can't see it now. You just drop time. If I can't find it now, I'll put it on later. That's fine. Oh no, that's a silver, and then I'll put it wrong lights. That's how it is. That's why I couldn't find it.
Oh my god.
You gotta put silver and then.
Hey.
Uh-huh. 3 of those. 1, 2, 3. Now we're talking. Red freeze. How you going with the tires, Timmy? You got them?
Because I never finished them off.
You almost finished them off. That's really good.
Did I finish now?
Yeah. What about black? That's why. Black. This is gonna be most epic.
See, I told them off.
Black.
I can't make mommy read this.
Read what?
What? I.
One, 2. We got those flat. Oi. Quick, go and find it. That was silly. Was it silly, Dimmy? I think that was silly. You didn't think what you were doing. No, you have to go on the bottom. You gotta get off the chair and you gotta go and find it. Off you go. That was very silly.
I can't think I can find it.
Well, that means there's gonna be no garbage truck if they have no wheels. You better try your best to find it.
I can't.
Well, you haven't looked for it yet.
I can't find it.
Well, have a really good look for it.
Found it.
Oh, very lucky.
This-
Maybe you shouldn't play with toys like that, because they might go missing, and that's gonna be end of the truck. Gotta make sure that's all flat. Jimmy, you gotta go and pick up the tire. I saw it drop. Hmm?
I can't.
3, 2, 2, and 3. Oh, they'll be same color as this. One more. Yep. What do we got here?
Look.
Now we got white and white. Uh-huh. Nice. How many tires do you have, Demi?
And these?
Yeah, how many are there?
And look at this. How about now? How about what? How about what? That, what? Daddy, what?
Oh, you made a towel. That's pretty cool.
And it's that all the ones you need. And I put one.
We're making very good progression with the build. I don't think the truck is. I don't think truck is ready for it yet.
I think they are. The truck is ready for
No.
They are.
Mm-mm.
One.
Okay, so I believe that will just go in here. Nice. Look at that. That's awesome. Okay. Jimmy, you gotta find all the toys again. You make it sound very dramatic, Dimmy. Did you find it? Did you find all the toys? Oh, Dimmy.
What?
It's a tire time. It's time to put wheels on.
Okay. Go on.
We need one more of those. Wait. Here it is. And I believe it's gonna go here. Yep. And here. You gotta line them up. No, other way around. Yep. Oh, look. Wait. Let me push. Yeah, it's got. You gotta flip the tires. Look. So these have to go like this. See? That's how it goes. And now you can put it on. Now, let's flip it around. Yep. That's one. Let's have a look at this one. Let's have to be flipped around again.
I can't fit them around.
Here, this one is good to go. Let me look at this one. Oh, you did all of them the same way. Interesting. Uh-oh.
I got it.
You got it? Okay. Got it? Oh, very good. Almost got it. Yep. And the last one? Yay! Look at that. Brum, 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 brum. Got ourselves a truck.
Oh, now these things can't go in yet.
Hi.
How will they go in?
So we finished one booklet. See? And now we got a little truck. Do you like that? That's a pretty big truck too. Did you see this? Wow. It opens. And you gotta be careful so you don't break the mirrors. See, there's mirrors on the side. Alright, let's do number 2. Let's see what's the number 2.
Then
Alright.
they can go in time, the Barbie truck.
Yeah.
Mom.
You just gotta make sure you can get them out.
So now we can go bum. Now if I can tell Wacky. I was gonna do
Alright.
this. I was going to do oven cream, but you done it. This brown truck is the big one.
Yeah, I think that's the biggest Lego garbage truck we have.
You're gonna go driving around. I'm on your way.
You need to wee?
Yes,
That's right, you're gonna have to go tell it. That's okay.
I don't know way.
You do? You don't?
I don't.
You sure? Are you only saying it because? Two. We'll try and build it as quick as possible. Oh, what was that? You gotta have a look. Have a good look what it is. Was it one of the small pieces?
Probably.
Oh, I hope not. Do you want me to move the chair back?
No, I'm guilty.
Can you see anything on the floor? Did you find something?
Yeah.
What was it?
It was only this.
Oh, okay. Wait, that's fell off the truck. Look, you knocked it off the truck. That was here.
How did that? Well, now I have to put the portion in here.
Yeah, you can do that. Who are you gonna put in there?
Probably. I can't remember. Probably her.
Okay, she like your one. Oh, what'd you drop? You gotta put that back on. That's a little mirror. We need that. Otherwise, we won't be able to reverse the truck. Aha, now we're talking.
That's so long. I read goodbye. Like it. Yeah, rings.
Oh, mirror again?
Oh, I can't put anyone in there.
Yeah, you can. You just need to work it out how.
I can't put Buzz Lightyear, or I can't.
Oh, does Buzz Lightyear not fit? Or you want to put everybody in there? I don't think everybody will fit. I think it's only designed for 2 people at a time.
Then I can't do any.
Okay, so we got...
I don't want to put anyone in there. Can nobody fit.
Nobody fits.
No.
What? Let me have a look after I put this stuff on. One, 2, 3.
That's the bad guy at the bottom.
Who's the bad guy?
Down there.
The green guy.
Yeah.
That's an insect.
It is an insect. So that's how has to go in the truck.
What do we got here? 1, 1. Ooh.
I can't put anyone in there.
Alright, let's have a look. Who do you want to put in there? Her? Or Buzz Lightning?
I won't put her in.
Okay, let's put her in. Oh, she's very tall. And she does have a big head. Uh-oh.
But why do you have the big hat too?
Yeah, they all have very big heads.
This one wrong.
This is a bit silly. They should have made it bigger. Oh, how about like this? Can she just go like this? Insect can fit. For sure. Insect will drive the truck, okay?
Because insect might have.
He'll go here. He'll drive from inside here, okay?
How will it?
Otherwise, his wings won't fit. Like this. Bam, he's a truck driver. That's it. He's in charge of the truck now. And then everybody else can go in the back. So I think that will be black.
I can't put that.
What's wrong? Hey, you gotta take them all out and do it again. And put the big guy first. Alright, watch out. What's wrong? Hey, are you tired? You know they fit in there. Stop, stop. Just stop. Just calm down. You're being silly. You know they all fit. All you have to do is take them all out. You had them in before, look. Like this? See, that was easy. Why are you stressing? You stressing.
Why is that one like that?
Aye, that's where that's the garbage truck.
How will they go in?
Once it's all finished, you gotta wait a few more minutes and they'll be done. I'm trying to build it as fast as I can because it's getting late.
It's bedtime now.
Not yet. It will be soon.
When we finish that doors?
Oh, you'll probably have maybe a few minutes to play with. You got time to play. Okay, what's next?
Oh, they won't go in.
Yeah, they'll easily fit in there. Look how big the truck is. A very big truck.
These people can't go in.
Why can't they go in?
But you made it too big.
What?
You're putting a roof on.
What do you mean? The roof? Oh, on this. But look how big the hole is to put them in.
And I can't put them in yet.
Yeah, because it's not finished. What's wrong? Why are you getting upset again? Look, there's only a few little pieces left. There's not much. We're almost done. And you done the wheels. That was pretty cool. Whoa, look at this thing. What is that? Those orange lights are pretty bright too, look. Careful, there's still lots of Lego around.
But I want to play.
Look, there's a hole to get everything out too. That's very smart, look. You can open and close. Alright.
How we put the people in? How we put people in now?
Not yet. I'm sure they don't want to go in there either.
I thought they do.
I doubt. I don't think they want to go inside the garbage truck.
They can.
They can, but I don't think they want to.
I think they do. Because I want them to go in there.
You want them to go inside?
Yeah, so it can go both out.
Oh, let's have a look. So, they want this to go here. We choose a triangle, black triangle. With the green thing. That stays there.
I need to.
What?
I'm going to read my pen.
Well, go to the toilet. Go to the toilet and come back. And most likely it'll be all finished by the time you come back.
Will it be finished?
Yeah, probably.
Mommy, I need to read. I don't read. Can you help me?
Okay, that's one done. That will go on the truck with the bug inside it. Alright. Oh wow, Jimmy, that was very quick.
It was it? Huh? It is finished.
Almost.
How will people get in?
Huh?
I know how.
What do we got? We got red. Red, yep. Red.
Daddy,
Wait, no, wait, no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Not yet.
People never go in.
Are they? Did you ask them if they want to?
Do people want to go in?
No, we don't. I'm pretty sure they said no, they don't.
Do you want people go in? Yes.
No, no, not in the garbage truck.
They did say yes.
No, 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 no. I'm sure they said no.
They said yes.
No. No. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, they're all in the garbage truck. An insect is driving.
So what are you going to do?
I'm almost finished.
Now I'm finished.
Nearly. You don't have much to go.
What? Why are you putting that on here?
What?
This thing.
What thing?
That thing on here.
I think it's have to go there, yep.
Aww.
Pretty sure it's the way it's supposed to go. Be gentle. Uh-oh. Be careful. What'd you break? That's okay. Oops. Oh, it's got a little dot. That's annoying. Put the dot to the bottom.
Why are you putting that? On here?
I'm not sure. Yep. That's exactly where it goes.
I want to put people in there.
You can still do that.
Wow. How will I?
What do you mean, how will you?
I can't put them in here.
Ah!
Ah!
What happened?
That's so funny.
Oh, it's not funny.
Then how will people go
You lift it.
in?
You lift it and then you can put them in. Ah, not finished. Not finished yet. Still going, Demi.
On. What is this? They're going in. Bum, 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 bum.
Yeah. Play that for now. While I'm building this.
They're going in.
Oh, where is this gonna go? Okay. That is good. What'd you drop? I heard something fall off. Put it back on. You gotta take care of this truck. There's not many of them around. Hey, is it all falling apart? Demi, bring it here. I have to fix it. Demi, bring it here.
Yes, I fixed it.
You also broke it in the first place.
But how does it go up and down? Does
What?
this thing go up and down?
What thing? Stop.
This thing?
Stop.
Oh no.
What thing?
This thing.
Oh man. You're not being gentle with this thing at all.
Can this thing go up? Can that thing go up?
Not at the moment.
Why?
Because you gotta be gentle with it.
Then How will it go up?
Eventually it will go up.
Will that thing go up?
What thing?
This thing.
Just wait. I'm not sure, because we're building it for the first time.
It's like a driving.
Man. It won't go up if you keep breaking it.
Okay.
You gotta stop breaking it.
What will it? Oh, I can't do it.
What did you break?
I broke this thing again.
Just wait, I'll put it back on. Okay, so that goes. Can I have a truck, please? Yeah.
And how will that thing go up? How will it go up, Daddy? How will that thing go up?
I do not know yet. All I know that this will go here.
This will pack up in these things are going in.
Oh, the insect. Where's insects? Where's his whiskers? Look, there's only one left. Where's his whiskers, Jimmy? Can you find another whisker for him? Is it on the floor? Can you have a look? It's not in the truck. Can you have a look on the floor, please? Is it in the bin? Yes, it's in the bin. Lucky. You gotta be careful so you don't lose it. I told you the things are very small in this set. See? Otherwise you're gonna be too little for it.
No, it's
Are you-
going on a truck.
Are you too little for it?
No.
Yeah, you gotta take care of it. Hey. No wrecking. No breaking Toy Story Lego. Jimmy? Hey. Oh, awesome. So we got this, and we got Sperry's. Unless we missed something. Where would the red ones go?
No, red one. Can't you find red one?
Wow. Burp.
Oh,
Oh, wow, look at this. So, can I have a bin, please? Can I have a rubbish bin thing? So check this out. Look, let's put something in here. Put somebody in here. Put the teddy bear. Teddy bear gonna go for a ride? No, 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 no. I don't want to go for a ride. Too bad, too sad. Look at this. You can drive the truck into this to pick it up, like this. And then look, you ready? Watch this. It opens and then it goes, bye-bye. And he's inside.
So then we can put this one in.
What? Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
And this one's in.
Well, everybody's gonna go in. One at a time, one at a time. Okay. Wait, oh, you didn't. Uh-oh. And then drive off. Bop, 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 bop. So that was a really cool build. I really enjoyed this. We do have some spare parts. Leave those.
Where are they going?
Because they're spare parts. In case. Oh, and then at the back, if we want to get rid of this stuff, it just lifts up and everybody falls out. Everybody out. That's it. No more free riders. And it goes back on. Do you like this, Demi? I reckon that's very cool.
I want to make them.
Do it again. Alright, well you gotta say goodbye first.
Goodbye.
And high five. High five to the camera. Yay! Alright, I'll see you next time. I hope you enjoyed it. Give us a like and subscribe if you want to see more cool videos. Alrighty, see ya. Can you do it? Can you do it?
No.
Who's gonna go first? Just one. Just do one. Maybe two, that's it. Alright, now you gotta spin the wheel. Spin it up. Is it too hard? Here. Uh-oh, you got him. Alright, see ya.